Hello, Python enthusiasts! Get ready for an exhilarating journey into the world of Python as we embark on this comprehensive tutorial aimed at mastering the basics. Whether you're a curious beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video is tailor-made for you. Today, we're setting 4 crucial goals to lay a rock-solid foundation in Python. Starting off, we'll guide you through the essential Python installation process. No more wondering how to get Python up and running, we've got you covered. By the end of this segment, you'll be equipped with the know-how to install Python seamlessly on your preferred platform. Next up, we're demystifying the Python command line. It might sound a bit technical, but fear not. We'll walk you through the basics, helping you navigate and interact with the Python interpreter. Get ready to wield the power of Python, and for the grand finale, we're offering a Python Quickstart. Consider it your express pass to Python's versatility. Buckle up as we cover vital concepts like variables, control structures, and functions. By the end of this segment, you'll be primed with a foundation that sets you on the right track for your Python journey. Whether you're eyeing a career in programming or just eager to explore the coding universe, join us in unraveling the secrets of Python. This is not just a tutorial, it's your gateway to unlocking the limitless possibilities of Python. So, without further ado, let's dive into the fantastic world of Python together. Directly from your terminal, it's simpler than you think. Python install. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line: command exe. /users/ your name, Python version. To check if you have Python installed on a Linux or Mac, then on Linux open the command line or on Mac open the terminal and type Python version. If you find that you do not have Python installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website: https://www.python.org. Python Quickstart. Python is an interpreted programming language. This means that as a developer you write Python.py files in a text editor and then put those files into the Python interpreter to be executed. The way to run a Python file is like this on the command line: /users/ your name, Python helloworld.py, where helloworld.py is the name of your Python file. Let's write our first Python file, called helloworld.py, which can be done in any text editor. helloworld.py print hello world. Simple as that. Save your file. Open your command line, navigate to the directory where you saved your file, and run /users/ your name, Python helloworld.py. The output should read: Hello, world. Congratulations, you have written and executed your first Python program. Advertisement. The Python command line. To test a short amount of code in Python, sometimes it is quickest and easiest not to write the code in a file. This is made possible because Python can be run as a command line itself. Type the following on the Windows, Mac or Linux command line: /users/ your name, Python. Or, if the Python command did not work, you can try /users/ your name, py. From there you can write any Python, including our Hello World example from earlier in the tutorial. /users/ your name, Python. Python 3.6.4, v3.6.4, d48 ASEB, December 19, 2017, 6 hours 4 minutes and 45 seconds, MSCV.1932-bit, Intel, on Win32. Type help, copyright, credits or license for more information. Print, hello, world, which will write hello, world, in the command line. /users/ your name, Python. Python 3.6.4, v3.6.4, d48 ASEB, December 19, 2017, 6 hours 4 minutes and 45 seconds, MSCV.1932-bit, Intel, on Win32. Type help, copyright, credits or license for more information. Print, hello, world. Hello, world. Whenever you are done in the Python command line, you can simply type the following to quit the Python command line interface.